Welcome back to my channel, The Car Cove. Toyota typically refreshes the design of its popular models every few years, and the 2025 Corolla is expected to be no exception. While official details aren't fully released, the new Corolla could feature sleeker lines in modern aesthetics. Expect sharper body lines, especially along the sides and rear, giving it a more contemporary and sporty appearance. New front end. The front end may receive a more aggressive look, possibly with a redesigned grille and slimmer, sharper LED headlights. The bumper could also feature more pronounced contours, giving the Corolla a more dynamic stance. New color options. Toyota often introduces fresh exterior colors with each new model year. In 2025, there could be vibrant hues like a deeper red, bright blue, or a new metallic shade. Wheel design updates. The Corolla's wheel designs could be refreshed, with new alloy wheel patterns and sizes for different trims, enhancing its visual appeal. Hybrid powertrain updates. The 2025 Corolla will likely offer an improved hybrid system, building on the existing 1.8-liter and 2.0-liter hybrid engines. The hybrid version could see slight performance improvements and better fuel efficiency, possibly achieving closer to 50 mpg combined, up from around 48 mpg in the 2023 model. Possible 2.0 hybrid option. Toyota may introduce a larger 2.0-liter hybrid engine option for the Corolla, providing more horsepower and torque without sacrificing fuel economy. There's a chance Toyota could release an all-electric version of the Corolla, especially considering the automaker's push for EVs. This model would likely use Toyota's global electric platform, such as the e-TNGA platform, which is already used in models like the Toyota bZ4X. It would likely have a range of around 2, 5, or 300 miles per charge, targeting eco-conscious consumers looking for a compact EV option. Gasoline engines. Expect the continued availability of naturally aspirated 1.8L and 2.0L four-cylinder engines for those who prefer a traditional gasoline engine. The 2.0L engine, which is currently available in the Corolla, provides a solid balance of power and efficiency. Infotainment system overhaul. The 2025 Corolla will likely come with Toyota's latest infotainment system, which could feature a larger touchscreen display, potentially up to 12.3 inches, for more intuitive navigation and control. Cloud-based navigation, better integration with smart devices, and possibly an advanced voice assistant, using AI for more natural speech recognition. Enhanced Apple CarPlay and Android Auto wireless integration, as well as support for Amazon Alexa for smart home integration. Safety and driver assistance. Toyota will continue its commitment to safety with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 standard across the lineup. This would include a pre-collision system, PCS, with pedestrian detection, lane tracing assist to help the driver maintain lane position, adaptive cruise control that can slow and speed up based on traffic conditions, blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert to help drivers with better visibility and detection of nearby vehicles. New intelligent parking assist could become available in higher trims, which can park the car autonomously in tight spots. Quality of materials. Expect a significant improvement in interior materials, particularly in higher trims. Softer touch plastics, upgraded upholstery, such as leatherette or genuine leather, and perhaps a redesigned dashboard with a more minimalist, streamlined design. Seating and space. The seating could be more comfortable and supportive, with a possibility of new seat designs that improve ergonomics. Taller individuals might appreciate the potential for slightly more rear seat legroom or more flexible seating configurations. Ambient lighting. Higher trims could feature customizable ambient lighting, which would add a premium feel to the cabin. Additional storage space. Toyota might optimize the cabin for better organization, with more storage compartments or larger cup holders. sportier handling, the Corolla has always been known for its well-balanced ride, but the 2025 model could see improvements in handling and suspension tuning, making it more responsive and engaging to drive. Newer, refined suspension components may be introduced, possibly with adaptive shock absorbers and higher trims for a more composed ride. Sporty trims, ecstasy trims to feature sport-tuned suspensions, possibly with unique wheels, sportier seat upholstery, and more aggressive front and rear bumpers. The high-performance GR Corolla will likely continue in 2025, offering a turbocharged 1.6 L three-cylinder engine that produces around 300 horsepower, paired with a 6-speed manual transmission and all-wheel drive. It will appeal to driving enthusiasts who crave an adrenaline-filled experience, making it a standout in the compact hatchback market. With the introduction of more hybrid variants, the 2025 Corolla should deliver excellent fuel efficiency. The base gas models should continue to offer around 30-35 mpg combined, while the hybrid variants may approach 50 mpg or even higher. If an electric version is introduced, its range could be somewhere in the 250-300 mile range, providing enough distance for daily commutes and road trips. The 2025 Toyota Corolla is expected to be priced similarly to the 2024 models, with base trims starting around $23,000 and higher-end models like the XSE trim going up to $28,232. 0. The hybrid model would likely start in the low $25,000 range, while the GR Corolla would be a more premium offering, priced closer to $30,000 to $35,000, depending on the trim and performance options. As part of Toyota's ongoing efforts to be more environmentally conscious, the 2025 Corolla could use more sustainable materials in its construction. This could include plant-based plastics, recycled fabrics, and more eco-friendly manufacturing processes. Additionally, if an electric version is released, Toyota may highlight eco-friendly features such as low-emission production processes and battery recycling program. The 2025 Toyota Corolla will likely build on the success of its predecessors by offering improved design, cutting-edge technology, and new performance options. With a broader range of powertrain options, including hybrid and possibly electric versions, a more refined interior, and an emphasis on safety, the 2025 Corolla is poised to remain one of the most popular compact cars globally. Whether you're looking for a budget-friendly commuter car or a performance-focused hatchback, the Corolla lineup should cater to a wide range of needs and preferences.